Hello everyone. In this video, I'll go over an example of how to graph functions in Excel. So here on the left hand side, I have a quadratic function f of x equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 6. So in order to graph it, I need to provide Excel with a table of values. So the way to do so, let's say the domain, I limit myself to the interval -10 to +10, for instance. So I need to provide the formula, which is 3 times x squared, so caret 2 minus 2 times x plus 6. And then I provide the inputs. So one thing I can do, I can use the fact that Excel is really helpful in replicating patterns. So I copy the formula down first. At this point, I have two inputs and their corresponding outputs. So what I'm about to do next is copy the pattern in my inputs, which is increase 1 to get the next input, and the pattern on the outputs, which is the formula, f of x formula. So I could do them separately, so copy the pattern on inputs first, and then do the same thing for the outputs. So highlight the click on the formula, and then bottom right hand side corner, drag it down. Or to be more efficient, I could do them at once, so highlighting all 4 cells, and before copying the pattern down, so I drag it down until I get where I need to be. So let's say 8, 9, 10. So here I have my table. Now, how do I get Excel to produce the graph? I highlight my table of values, inputs and outputs. Feel free to include uh, the labels x and f of x. Then I go to insert. Under charts, I need the scatter option. And that's how I get Excel to produce a graph for me. Thank you. See you on the next video.